Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JBL Xtreme 2. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $300. Now it's available in 3 colors, black, blue, and green. Now on a side note, if you're buying this for outdoor activities, I suggest getting the black. It's the easiest to keep clean and it's always going to look brand new. All right, so let's check this out. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. Fallback White Shoes. JBL Xtreme 2, $300. Now this does have a shoulder strap. Unleash powerful sound everywhere. Now let's go through the features real quick. You get 15 hours worth of battery life. Now this takes 3.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100. Now I got a bunch of JBL speakers. JBL is the best when it comes to battery life. So even if you're rocking this on max volume, you're still looking at anywhere between 10 and 12 hours. Now it's IPX7 waterproof. That means you could submerge this in 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Now you got a USB charge out, so this way you can charge your phone, your tablet, your camera, whatever you got on deck. Now this also features JBL Connect Plus. So that means you could wirelessly pair this with up to 100 speakers. Now it doesn't have to be a JBL Xtreme 2. It could be a JBL Pulse 3, JBL Boombox. Any JBL speaker that has JBL Connect Plus, you can pair these up together, up to 100. All right, let me grab a little unboxing knife. All right, shout out to the Tiger Tooth. Here we go. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay, now if you ever bought anything from JBL, you're paying for that presentation, you might as well enjoy it. Quality presentation. All right, so let's see what you get inside. All right, here's your JBL Xtreme 2. Little box right here. Let's see what's in here. Now this is your shoulder strap. Let's check the quality on this. Nice hooks. Quality metal. Little JBL branding with a little cushion on it. I like that. All right, so that's it for that. Let's see what's in here now. Okay, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. Here's your plug. Now this is a regular plug with this style end. And let's see what's in here. This should be the second part of the plug. Frustration level increasing. Rah! Okay. Second part of the plug. That's pretty much it. Now here's your JBL Xtreme 2. Pretty much the same size as the original JBL Xtreme, just an updated version. Okay, here we go. Now this has a decent amount of weight on it, but you can easily carry this with one hand. On the top, here's your Bluetooth pairing button. You got volume up and down, play and pause, your power button, and your JBL Connect Plus button. You got 2 hooks for your shoulder straps. JBL branding on the front. You got this mesh material covering the whole speaker. Definitely feels like quality. Here's your LEDs. That's going to tell you your battery life. On the bottom, you got these nice rubber stoppers because this thing has a lot of bass, so that's going to keep it in place on your table. On the other side, you got your play insignia, JBL insignia. Real nice. On the back, now this is water resistant, so you got your little flap. I just powered it on by accident too. Underneath the flap, here's your 3.5 for non-Bluetooth devices, so you can use this wired. There's your your service, micro USB service slot. So this way, if you got to update the speaker, plug it into your computer using micro USB charging cable. There's your USB charge out. That's how you're going to charge your phone or your tablet. And there's your power input. Simple enough. All right, so let me grab a phone. We'll pair this up and we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now I got this all paired up, so now let's test it out. Now for the pairing process, real simple. Just press the Bluetooth pairing button, go to your Bluetooth settings, and select the JBL Xtreme 2. All right, so here we go. Max volume. on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, major, major go. The sound quality is crystal clear and it sounds balanced. Now, if I had to compare this to the original JBL Xtreme, I would say it has a little bit less bass, but more of a balanced sound. This one sounds better. Let's try another beat. Alright, so you heard it for yourself. The JBL Xtreme 2 is definitely dope. Now, I know the main question everybody's going to ask me is which one sounds better, the JBL Xtreme 2 or the JBL Boombox? Well, let's find out. Now, I was going to make a separate video comparing the two, but we're already sitting right here chilling. We might as well get it out the way right now. So let me grab a phone. I'm going to pair them both up using a G7, same volume, same song, same settings, and we're going to see which one sounds better. All right, so I got these both paired up using an LG G7, so there's no advantage to either speaker. Now, real quick, what's the difference between the JBL Xtreme 2 and the JBL Boombox? The Xtreme 2, $300. The JBL Boombox, $380. With the JBL Xtreme 2, you get 15 hours worth of battery life. With the JBL Boombox, you get 24 hours worth of battery life. Other than that, everything is the same. All right, so let's see which one sounds better. We'll start off with the JBL Xtreme 2. Now I'm sitting right in front of both of these speakers. The Boombox is definitely louder and has more bass. But let's try one more track just to be safe. Here's the JBL Xtreme 2. Here's the JBL Boombox. Alright, so you heard it for yourself. The JBL Boombox is definitely louder and has a lot more bass. Now the Boombox is going to run you an extra $80. You get 9 extra hours of battery life, but it's a lot bigger and a lot heavier. Now the JBL Xtreme 2, this one sounds amazing, and if you plan on walking around with this all day, it's a lot easier to carry using the shoulder strap. Now just for fun, let's pair these two up together and see how they sound combined. Alright, now to connect two JBL speakers together using JBL Connect Plus, it's real simple. Press the Connect Plus button on the first unit, do the same thing on the second unit, and you're good to go. Let's ride. Alright, so real quick, let's check the USB charge feature. So I got a USB Type-C cable plugged into the back. Let's grab a Mate RS, plug this in, charging right up. Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the JBL Xtreme 2 is a major go. Is this worth $300? And the answer is yes. Now the sound quality is crystal clear, it's nice and balanced, has punchy bass, but no distortion at max volume. Now you get 15 hours worth of battery life, it's waterproof, you got a USB charge out. This is a dope speaker for the summer. Now if you're looking for a speaker that has a little bit more bass and is a little bit louder, but it's going to be a little bit harder to carry, get the JBL Boombox. But both of these speakers, top of the food chain. Anyway, hit me up in the comments, let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready, no meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.